You know, if there's one thing I'm an expert at, it's making messes. I swear. I'll eventually get all this stuff out here once I finish up my cleaning. And these boards here were in the closet. So I was going to go buy new boards, but really they don't look too bad. So I think I'm going to clean them down and paint them. Kills them, of course. So, of course, here's my fresh cleaning water. It's a couple of the empty water bottles because when you're working, you deal with the messes. And I'm going to pick up all this up off the floor, because this is all the paneling I tore off the sink the other day. And I always have to take a few days off when I work in here because I need to clear out my body. I need to cleanse my body when I'm not in here. So I came in and resprayed all this with mold killer again. And you know, if I have to suffer, y'all have to suffer too. So when it comes time to take this nasty thing out, yeah, you're going to be watching. Yeah. So there. So, but I'm so thrilled. Look at this cabinet top, how nice it turned out. Or the countertop, I mean. That big stain is all gone. And that was just by using good old-fashioned cleaning vinegar. So it's a bit muggy today. But I just really want to finish washing down what I can in here. I mean, I've got the ceiling, I've got the walls to this point. You know, I even got that wall. And I still have to, you know, I'm gonna have to cut out that shelf right there and put a new one in. I have a mop, so I'll mop around this real good. And clean this out real good in here. And I think I'll start, since my water gets so dirty so fast, I'll start on the interior of the closet. So, and y'all have seen me do this many times, so I don't think I really need to show you. I mean, it's got to be getting boring watching somebody scrub. Another thing that's kind of nice is I have an extra outlet in here because of the water heater. And I'll get a new connector. It's not showing it very well. New connectors for that. So it's coming together. It is. It's just taking a while. And I do work, and right now I'm on a 10-day dog sitting stint, so that, you know, kind of takes up some time too. So anyhow, okay. Back to work with, oh, I got my flooring yesterday. I bought my flooring already. But I put it in one of the storage buildings here. So that's going to be great. I've got a little ways to go before I get to that point, of course. Got to paint and everything first, but you know, I have come a long way. Getting all that stuff off the ceiling. So cleaning the screens and getting them back in the windows. All that kind of stuff, so I am getting there. So, okay, back to work with me. And today's a tougher day. The breeze left. Woo! So it's going to be a warm one. I'll bear through it. Here is the closet now. The front of it is clean. The interior of it is clean. I still have to go down and deep clean the floor. But that's going to wait because I want to finish cleaning these other walls, the exterior walls. Like this one. Up around there. And this closet right here, get it cleaned. And then, I believe once that's all done, all of my wood cleaning will be finished. I'd have to wash the front of that too. But I'm going to knock that board out. I haven't done it yet. And then maybe my next step will be to remove the toilet. Nobody wants to look at that. Top of the water tank is clean. We'll pretend we just didn't see that nasty ass. Whoops. We'll just pretend we didn't see that nasty old toilet. Okay. So yeah, this is how far I've gotten. I've gotten the closet, and you know, I just showed you what all I got done. So the bathroom is almost cleaned. And then I will plan on removing some of this other stuff in here that I've had up front. And, you know, that's a container cleansers and tools and my shop vac and blah, blah, blah. And I'll get those in one of the storage buildings. Even my ovens until I decide what to do with them. Because I would still like to merge them. Because I like that 21-inch oven. But we'll see. And I can put those in storage for now, though. So get everything out of here. Okay, we are finally back in the Stinky Twinkie. I lost about 10 days worth of work in here because of having to work and doing a 10-day dog sitting gig, which I still have to go back to tonight. But that's the way life is for me, so that's okay. I'm just really anxious to get this thing finished. Okay, so how am I going to clean up here in these tight grooves? Zoom out. You can't see when I zoom in. How am I going to do that? And this closet's so narrow. Yeah, I can get my arm in there, but I can't reach the whole way back. And it's just, it's actually, my hand's actually wider than it is. So how am I going to remedy that? How am I going to clean that? Well, here's my solution. I found a mop at the Dollar General with a brush head on it. It's a regular mop. I haven't broken off the package yet. So I will be using that in that corner. You know, the only thing that's left to clean, this closet, this little whatever in here, is where the bathroom door used to be. But it was one of those bamboo pull-out shade door type things. Still got to get that off. That shelf. And get down here and get this cleaned. But the rest is done. The walls are done. The exterior walls. The only thing that's not done is behind the toilet and this wall. Toilet. And I even actually washed that wall, although I didn't want to bump into the toilet. Yuck. So, let's get to work. Give it a try. Okay. So let's see if we can even, really, we don't even fit in there. Seriously. Aw, this is a problem. Really, we don't fit in there. Oh my gosh. Well, okay. We'll do this one then. Oh, it'll fit. That? Okay, I can do it from the inside. It opens up. I guess I better spray the ceiling. Of course, the mop's already dripping on the floor. I probably should have brought a tarp because I really don't want to get this floor very wet. Ah! Is it even showing? Yeah, it's showing. Okay, I got this closet cleaned out, the skinny one. Back in the Twinkie for more cleaning. Yay! I brought my squeegee down. And it is on a long pole because it's for my motorhome window. Windows. So, to clean this part, boy, it just barely fits in there. Jeez. Wow. Well, we'll see if we can. You can't see it once I get it in so far. It disappears. But, okay, I think that'll work. It's a tight spot. I forgot I bought this mop a while back. Another cheap 99-cent store item. But I forgot about it. It will fit in that small corner. So that'll make my job easier because a squeegee would have been a tight fit. And then I could just use it down there and use it in here. Oh, I swear. Good thing I thought about it, right? Sometimes it don't you know where my brain goes. Sorry, I'm trying to steady the camera on a tripod, but I don't have it locked down. In order for this little sponge mop to work on the wall, that little tiny slit of a wall, I had to cut this part off because it kept getting stuck. And all I really needed was the sponge anyhow. And it was just $1 item, so no biggie. But yeah, that's how you can get to that little slit if you have a Silver Streak. And you got this weird little tiny groove opening here. You know, it'd be nice, but I'm tired. I'm not going to do it. But it sure would be nice if I just pushed this over further and just made a bigger closet. But, you know, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to hang a curtain up here anyhow. So, for some privacy when I'm in the shower and such. Okay, so that's it for today.